Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, guys. Now we will come to the first material. It is about job advertisement. You know what job advertisement is? Now, you are at the last grade. Means that if you are graduated from Stikes Banyuwangi, and then you will apply for job. Before applying for job, of course, you will see the job advertisement. So, job advertisement means iklan lowongan pekerjaan. Okay, this is the material for you. Okay, let's see the material.
Tapi lampu mungkin turun terus ya buat powernya ya bos ya.
Okay, I'll give you some examples of the job advertisement here. Saya kasih contoh beberapa iklan lowongan pekerjaan related to your major in nursing yang berkaitan dengan jurusan kalian di keperawatan. This is the for example. This job advertisement is looking for private nurse, nanny, or midwife. Jadi mereka mencari private nurse, perawat yang perawat khusus atau nanny atau midwife, bidan juga bisa. Yang dia cari apa? Let's see. Life and position required for VIP family to care for newborn baby. Jadi untuk bayi yang baru lahir. Dan dia menawarkan high salary plus accommodation, food, dan personal items. Jadi gaji yang tinggi, akomodasi ditanggung, makan ditanggung, kebutuhan hidup kalian ditanggung. So, kalian nerima high salary itu bersih, nggak kepotong makan, nggak kepotong akomodasi, and so forth. And then, what is the requirements or what are the requirements? Commonly, job advertisement always give some requirements for you. Jadi biasanya iklan lowongan pekerjaan itu memberikan beberapa persyaratan. Oke. Yang ini apa kira-kira persyaratannya? Let's see. The first, professional care related to the newborn baby. Jadi mencari perawatan profesional yang berkaitan dengan bayi yang baru lahir. Yang kedua, background in childcare with college degree in nursing or midwife with experience. Jadi mereka mencari yang background-nya itu perawatan anak dengan lulusan S1 keperawatan atau kebidanan yang sudah berpengalaman. And then the last, smart, intellectual, and professionals only. Jadi dia cari yang smart, intellectual, sama profesional. Lamaran pekerjaannya, you can please email your CV to privatenurse124@gmail.com. Jadi surat lamaran pekerjaannya bisa langsung di email. Ada berbagai cara untuk mengirimkan lamaran pekerjaan. It depends on the job advertisement. Ada yang menghendaki email to the email address or directly give the application letter to the office or by sending your application letter to the post office or so forth. And then the second, healthcare hospital. Okay. This hospital needs some hospital teams such as doctors, nursing supervisor, staff nurses, ICU technicians, aid nurses or midwives, and security guards. Okay, based on this job advertisement, you can choose based on your majoring in nursing. Dari beberapa yang dibutuhkan di sini, kalian silahkan itu memilih berdasarkan jurusan kalian. You are nurse. So you must apply for job as a nurse. It can be nursing supervisor, staff nurses, aid nurses. Jadi kalian nggak boleh ngelamar jadi dokter Kalian kan jurusannya perawat. Ya jangan juga yang ngelamar jadi security guard. Please apply for job based on your major. Sesuai dengan jurusan yang kalian ambil. Di bawah itu ada keterangannya, please contact the person between 2 p.m. or 3 p.m. at Nazimabad campus. Okay. Next, itu ada Petal Hospital, Project of Petal Foundation. Career opportunities. Okay. Jadi dia butuh nursing instructor. Nursing instructor, bachelor nursing with 1 to 2 years teaching and clinical experience. Jadi cari instruktur. Instruktur itu bisa semacam tenaga pengajar gitu ya. Yang berpengalaman 1 sampai 2 tahun dalam bidang pengajaran. Female staff nurse. Staff nurse yang cewek. Ketika di sini bunyinya female, berarti yang cowok nggak boleh ngelamar. Registered midwife, it is not related to your major. The last example, wanted staff nurses. For Ministry of Health Saudi Arabia, female or male staff nurses. If the requirements here, female or male, means that both of you, male and female, boys and girls, you can apply for job here as a nurse, as a staff nurse. Don't forget to always with the requirement, such as bachelor nursing with 2 years experience. And don't forget to please submit your CVs along with the certificate before 25th June 2013. An interview will be held with Ministry of Health. Okay. Nah, ini ada staff required. Ada Shalamar Nursing College associated with Shalamar Hospital. Jadi ini ada kampus yang butuh tenaga pengajar. Usually campus who have nursing who has college, health college like Stikas Banyuwangi usually has their own hospital. Stikas Banyuwangi also has clinic. Okay, and then if the campus need the staff, means nurse as the instructor, as the teacher, as the lecturer, not as the practitioner. Okay, just see here, just remember, you as a nurse not only can teach, not only can work as a practitioner in the hospital, you can also be a teacher, you can also be a lecturer. Of course, in nursing major. For example, in nursing vocational school, in nursing major in a campus. Here, philosophy doctor in nursing, at least 10 years of teaching and so forth. Of course, requirement selalu ada ya. Sama nursing instructors, bachelor nursing graduate, itu contohnya. And then for your next exercise, you must look for one job advertisement from the magazine or from the internet. It is up to you. Jadi silahkan cari iklan lowongan pekerjaan yang di situ ada perawatnya, yang di situ berbunyi perawat. Jadi silahkan cari iklan lowongan pekerjaan yang berbau-bau perawat based on your major. Oke, dalam satu kelas nggak boleh ada yang sama. Karena ada satu kelas 17 orang, silakan berkoordinasi di grup kalian yang di grup kalian. Jadi misalnya ada yang sudah pakai ini, jangan pakai yang sama, cari yang lain ya. Nggak harus yang terbaru. Yang terpenting adalah ada bunyi nurse-nya. Jadi kalian itu candidate of nurse. So it is better for you to look for job related to your major. Jadi ya janganlah cari iklan lowongan yang banker atau sales promotion girl, no. Silahkan cari yang sesuai dengan ilmu yang kalian pelajari. Okay, it's enough for today. Thank you very much for your nice attention. If you have found any difficulties, you can contact me on WhatsApp group or personal chat through WA. Okay, thank you very much for your attention. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.